Hello, this is my last play with oscillator. This is the oscillator from Solder and Smoke project. Now it have one transistor, but I will add another transistor, JFET or bipolar, for the gain. Nice thing is that use a screw for adjusting frequency. Also, the position of the coil determine the frequency. And as you can see, frequency is now about 7.5 megahertz. Originally, this is the 40 meter DC receiver. Oscillator works, but voltage on emitter resistor is very small. It needs a buffer stage. Bye bye.